It just gives you an idea of how much snow we've had up here in the north. That's our back garden, and if I pan you around, you see a view of the drive. I've dug us out. MG were completely covered yesterday. I actually scraped all that snow off it yesterday, and then it snowed again. Yeah, so we've still got the gritters coming along. Managed to dig the drive out. You see the piles of what was snow is now ice. It's going to be a long time before this lot shifts. Probably end of February, my guess. I'll keep you posted. Oh, greetings fellow travellers, and greetings from the frozen north. Happy New Year to everyone. Yeah, I've got the school run complete, the morning school run. I've got the afternoon this afternoon, and Meli's been for a walk as well, so I'm going to attempt to go up to the Motorhome storage facility, which is about a mile away, mile and a half, just to have a check. I've got some stuff to take up, but I really want to just have a check at the Motorhome and see how it is. It has been it is winterized at the moment, so I just want to check around and make sure everything's okay. We've had 2 nights, Sunday and Monday night, I think it was. Saturday into Sunday and Sunday into Monday nights of really heavy snow, and I've got to say the gritters and the snow plows have been absolutely superb, right from the start when the first snow came, and it was settling. There was out gritting and ploughing through the night on both nights. And the problem that leaves is the snow piled up on the roadside, and with us being a small country and crowded, and I don't know, 20 odd million vehicles on the road, it might be more now, I don't know, parked cars everywhere, so the snow plows can't work efficiently and push the snow really into the curbs because of parked cars. So they've got to go around, and that in itself causes a problem on the school routes and the bus routes. As you can see there, the piles of snow up against the curbs, and people having to park the cars on the road because they can't get access to where they normally park them, so you know that causes quite a problem. But credit to the council, the private contractors, they've done an absolute sterling job. They're still out gritting even as we speak. So I'm going to go up to take you along up to the motorhome storage and just see, hopefully fingers crossed I can get up there, and we'll see what it's like up there. So we'll see you when we get there. Right, I've made it up to the storage facility. I don't think anyone's been around here. Wow, look, it's deep. I've got a snow program on the. I'm going to park it over here after this snowy area. I think it'll be alright here. drove past the van. We'll go back to it in a minute. Right, made it up to the van. Let's go and have a look and see what it's like inside. I just want to check that everything is alright. Just open that door a minute. Just have a look underneath. Yeah, everything looks fine under there. No leaks. Like I say, it's all wintered down. I've got the winter vents in. And inside, I've dropped down the bed, so there's a bit of a gap each end. Left the cupboards open. The only thing I need to do is just lift the mattresses up in there, which I'll do in a minute. What I did forget to do was lift up the mattresses just to let some air circulate around. So what I'm going to do is do this one-handed, is lift up here. As you can see, there's air vents all around, so just pardon me for the camera going everywhere, because I've got to lock it in there. There you are. It's just another access to the wardrobe, but there's air gaps underneath the mattresses there, so there is air circulating around, but I think it just might help it if it's lifted up. Like everything is got good ventilation now. Just checking on the battery levels. So that's the habitation level. As you can see, it's dropped down a little bit, and the vehicle battery dropped down even further. Probably might be a good thing to try and get up and clear the solar panel and just let a bit of light in, because it is quite a bright day today. So I think I'll nip around to the container and get the ladders and just get up and clear that solar panel and see if that lets a little bit more light through and charge these batteries up. I've got my ladders. It's a bit narrow as that rake, but I'll see if I can get up. I've got a brush to try and help me clear that panel. Let's see what it looks like. As you can see, as suspected, the panel covered in snow or ice, so I've got to be careful. I don't want to damage. Quite delicate, are these solar panels, so I'll just see what I can do. If I can just loosen some of it up and try and get the most of it off with a brush. Quite a bit of it off there. Just these little icy bits here, just to try and loosen up. But most of it is exposed now. Hopefully there's enough there to charge the batteries. As you can see now, where I've got the most of the solar panel cleared of snow and ice, and most of it is now exposed to daylight, so hopefully it'll trickle charge them batteries. I'm not too worried about them. They are new, obviously, so I think it's a good exercise just to do these. I've been very careful. I've done most of it with my hand or with the glove on. just to make sure everything's all right. If we look at the solar panel regulator, we can see it's charging and the batteries are full, so I don't think I need to worry too much, but I think I will come up and have another check in a week, make sure everything's I'm not sure whether we're due any more snow, maybe at the weekend. You can see now the habitation batteries charged up to 13.5 volts, and the vehicle battery, well, it's probably going to be getting charged anytime soon. All good. Yeah, so I hope you found this video of interest, and we'll catch you on the next one.